Dear students, now we study about series combination of capacitors. Why combination is of condenser is why required, since when we want to reduce capacity or when we want to increase capacity of condensers, then we make combinations of condenser to get capacity required capacity by given condenser. We always use combination of condensers. Why combination is required? So combination is required to get combinations of condenser is required only to get required capacity or potential of condenser. We know that we cannot find maximum capacity by a single capacitor. So maximum time we want to increase the capacity of capacitor, then we combine more than one capacitors. There are two types of combinations of capacitors. First, series combination. Second, parallel combination of capacitors. Series combination of capacitors, when negative plate of first condenser is connected with the positive plate of second condenser and negative plate of second condenser is connected with the positive plate of third condenser and so on, then this combination is called or is known as series combination of condenser. When negative plate of first condenser is connected with the positive plate of second condenser and negative plate of second condenser is connected with the positive plate of third condenser and so on, then this combination is called series combination. When more than one condenser is connected in the series where each negative plate of before condenser or previous condenser is connected with the positive plate of another condenser and each condenser is connected so on. So these combination is called series combination, or the combination of condenser in which charge is equal on each condenser but potential difference on each conductor is different. It is inversely proportional to capacitance of each particular capacitor or condenser is known as series combination. The combinations of condenser in which charge on each condenser is same but potential difference on each condenser is different, and it is inversely proportional to or reciprocal to the capacitance of condenser, then this combination of capacitors or condenser is known as series combination. Now we discuss about equivalent capacitance of series combination. Now consider n condensers of capacitance C1, C2, C3, now Cn, C4, Cn. Now consider n condensers of capacitance C1, C2, C3, C4 dash 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 Cn are connected in series combination, and when we applied charge Q on this combination, then its potential became V1, V2, V3 dash 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 Vn respectively, then according to V1 is equal to, then according to Q equal to CV, then V is equal to Q upon C. We get V1 is equal to Q upon C1, V2 is equal to Q upon C2, and Vn equal to Q upon Cn. Since potential is a scalar quantity, then total potential, then net potential difference of this combination will be sum of potential of each condenser. So V equal to net potential to our total potential of this combination will be V is equal to V1 plus V2 plus V3 dash 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 plus Vn. Since we know that value of V1, V2, V3, Vn. Now consider, suppose the equivalent capacitance of this combination is C. If we think this combination is treated as a single capacitor and its capacity is C, then V is equal to, then total potential V will be equal to Q upon C. Then total capacitance of combination will be V is equal to Q upon C. So substitute value of V and V1 to Vn. Now we get Q upon C, value of V is Q upon C is equal to Q upon C1 plus Q upon C2 plus Q upon C3 plus Q upon Cn. Since Q is common on both sides, then Q is cancelled by Q, and we get 1 upon C is equal to 1 upon C1 plus 1 upon C2 plus 1 upon C3 plus dash 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 1 upon Cn. So equivalent capacitance of series combination is always the reciprocal of sum of inverse of capacitance of each condenser which is connected in the series combination. कहने का मतलब यह है कि ऐसा कॉम्बिनेशन जिसमें प्रत्येक कंडेंसर की नेगेटिव प्लेट को सेकंड कंडेंसर की पॉजिटिव प्लेट से, सेकंड कंडेंसर की नेगेटिव प्लेट को थर्ड कंडेंसर की पॉजिटिव प्लेट से, और इसी तरह से अन्य कंडेंसर भी सीरीज में कनेक्टेड किए गए हों, तो इस तरह का कंडेंसर का कॉम्बिनेशन सीरीज कॉम्बिनेशन कहलाता है। और सेकंड डेफिनेशन में कह रहा था कि कंडेंसर का ऐसा कॉम्बिनेशन जिसमें प्रत्येक कंडेंसर पर मैग्नीट्यूड ऑफ चार्ज विल बी सेम बट पोटेंशियल डिफरेंस ऑन ईच कंडेंसर इज डिफरेंट. It is reciprocal of capacitance of condenser. Then this combination is known as series combination. Equivalent capacitance of equivalent capacitance of combinations of n capacitors which have capacitance C1, C2, Cn. Then we discuss, we get equivalent capacitance of series combination 1 upon C is equal to 1 upon C, 1 plus 1 upon C2 plus 1 upon C3 plus 1 upon Cn. So C is equal to 1 upon C1 plus 1 upon C2 plus 1 upon C3 and so on plus 1 upon Cn. It means equivalent capacitance of a series combination will be reciprocal of sum of reciprocals of capacitance of each condenser. कहने का मतलब यह कि इक्विवेलेंट कैपेसिटेंस जो है सीरीज कॉम्बिनेशन का, वो सीरीज में कनेक्टेड प्रत्येक कैपेसिटर के कैपेसिटी के रेसिप्रोकल के सम का रेसिप्रोकल होता है. Capacitance of equivalent capacitance of series combination will be always equal to sum of reciprocals of capacitance on each condenser which is connected in series का रेसिप्रोकल होता है. ठीक, ये तो n कंडेंसर के लिए हुआ. If question says find out equivalent capacitance of three condenser having capacitance C1, C2, C3, then we consider three condensers are connected, three condensers of capacitance C1, C2, C3 are connected in series combination. If when we give charge plus Q, when we give charge plus Q on this combination, then potential difference of these combinations become V1, V2, V3. Then V1 is equal to Q upon C1, V2 equal to Q upon C2, and V3 is equal to Q upon C3. If total potential, resultant potential of combination of, if resultant combination of resultant potential of this combination is V, then V will be equal to sum of potential difference of each condenser, because potential difference is a scalar quantity and it will be sum of each potential difference of this circuit. Then V is equal to V1 plus V2 plus V3. Then substitute value, V is equal to Q upon C1 plus Q upon C2 plus Q upon C3. If the equivalent capacitance of combination is C, then V will be equal to Q upon C. Substitute this value, we get Q upon C is equal to Q upon C1 plus Q upon C2 plus Q upon C3. Now since Q is common both sides, so Q is cancelled by Q and we get 1 upon C is equal to 1 upon C1 plus 1 upon C2 plus 1 upon C3. ये तो हुआ एक कंडीशन. सेकंड क्वेश्चन, थर्ड क्वेश्चन, यदि इफ कैपेसिटेंस ऑफ ईच कंडेंसर आर सेम, if capacitance of each condenser are same and it is equal to C dash, so in this formula we get C1 equal to C2 equal to C3 equal to Cn equal to C dash. Now substitute values, then equivalent capacitance 1 upon C equal to 1 upon C dash plus 1 upon C dash plus 1 upon C dash n times, because n condenser having same capacitance are connected in series, so 1 upon C equal to n upon C dash, so equivalent capacitance is equal to C is equal to C dash upon n. It means if we connected n capacitors of same capacitance, then its capacitance is reduced to 1 upon n times of used कैपेसिटेंस. कहने का मतलब यह है कि यदि हम n कैपेसिटर्स इक्वल कैपेसिटेंस को जोड़कर क्या करते हैं, सम करके कॉम्बिनेशन बनाते हैं, तो इस कॉम्बिनेशन का इक्विवेलेंट कैपेसिटेंस रिड्यूस होके 1 अपॉन n टाइम्स रिड्यूस हो जाएगा किसका, सिंगल कैपेसिटेंस के कैपेसिटेंस से. मतलब हमारा सीरीज कॉम्बिनेशन कैपेसिटेंस को बहुत ज़्यादा रिड्यूस कर देता है, लेकिन पोटेंशियल डिफरेंस को इंक्रीज कर देता है. पोटेंशियल डिफरेंस बहुत जम के उठ जाएगा, लेकिन आपका क्या रिड्यूस हो जाएगा, कैपेसिटेंस बहुत कम हो जाएगा. जैसे हम 5 माइक्रोफैराड के 5 कंडेंसर को सीरीज कॉम्बिनेशन में कनेक्ट करें, तो ऐसी कंडीशन में इक्विवेलेंट कैपेसिटेंस क्या होगा, जो कैपेसिटर जो कंडेंसर 5 माइक्रोफैराड अपने अंदर रख सकता था, जो कैपेसिटर या कंडेंसर अपने अंदर 5 माइक्रोफैराड का चार्ज कैपेसिटेंस उसकी कितनी थी, 5 माइक्रोफैराड थी. तो 5 माइक्रोफैराड कैपेसिटेंस को यदि हमने 5 कनेक्ट कर दिया सीरीज में, तो ऐसी कंडीशन में अब पूरे कॉम्बिनेशन के 5 के कनेक्शन जो सीरीज कॉम्बिनेशन है उसका कुल कैपेसिटेंस सिर्फ 1 माइक्रोफैराड बचेगा. माने जो एक का था उससे भी 1/5 टाइम्स कम हो गया. तो किसी भी यदि इक्वल कैपेसिटेंस को यदि डिफरेंट जोड़ते हैं, तो उसमें जो सबसे स्मॉलर कैपेसिटेंस है, उससे भी कॉम्बिनेशन के जो कैपेसिटेंस होगा वो स्मॉलर कैपेसिटेंस से भी लेस देन होगा। ठीक, तो ये सीरीज कॉम्बिनेशन ऑफ कैपेसिटर्स हुआ। थैंक्स। ओके।